Today's video, free e-commerce template with view download link in description. Open the index file. This is the beautiful responsive design of a grocery store. Showcase a beautiful header, menu bar, slider, and product design, with options to view products and navigate through different pages. Open the product quick view. Then access the product shop grid filter to display the product list, navigate through the product list, and finally, go to the blog page to explore more content. Go to the contact form page. Then navigate to the sign in, sign up, and forgot password pages. After that, visit the account dashboard, your order page, settings, address, payment method, and notification pages. Show the dashboard, including the product order list, categories list, and single order confirmation list, providing a comprehensive view of all the essential details. Download the template and find the link in the video description. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos.